हेलो और वेलकम, मैं हूं विवान और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड का हॉटेस्ट न्यूज शो प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड न्यूज। हम एक बार फिर हाजिर हैं बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट न्यूज और हॉट गॉसिप्स लेकर। सो व्हाई वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेस हेडलाइंस। ईयर 2012 में किस फैशन डीवा ने किया ट्रेंड सेट एंड हु फेल्ड टू इंप्रेस ज़ूम्स फैशन पुलिस? When it's Bollywood fashion updates are a must, isn't it? तो साल खत्म होते होते आइए देखते हैं कि किसको नहीं मिला ज़ूम की फैशन पुलिस से थम्स अप, किसने किया हमें डिसअपॉइंट। लेट्स टेक अ लुक।
This year, we saw our glamorous Bollywood celebrities take style and fashion a notch higher. They experimented and new stylish trends were born. But like always, there were some horrendous style statements that we wish are never ever repeated. Money can buy you clothes, but not style. तो चलिए देखते हैं इस साल के ऐसे कुछ celebrities जिन्होंने अपने बिजार कपड़ों से हमारा सर शर्म से झुका दिया. Why on earth would you do that, ladies? सोनाक्षी सिन्हा। उनकी फिल्म्स इस साल रही काफी सक्सेसफुल और उनकी अदर फिल्म्स की तरह सोनाक्षी के ज्यादातर रोल होते हैं ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी और पटियाला पहनने वाले कैरेक्टर्स के, और इन्हीं फिल्म्स के प्रमोशंस के दौरान सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ज्यादातर दिखती हैं सिमिलर टाइप के कपड़ों में, दैट इज पटियालास एंड सलवार कमीज। नो, there is no harm in wearing traditional Indian clothes, darling, but you can't bore everyone with similar kind of clothes you choose everywhere. खैर, इन outfits में सोनाक्षी फिर भी presentable लगती हैं. Now, let's take a look at the clothes she chooses to wear when she ain't promoting her films. While you might be surprised, Sonakshi is actually quite young, but her makeup and choice of clothes makes her look really mature. No wonder she manages to romance Salman and Ajay on screen so comfortably. Starting with these black pair of slacks that she chooses to wear with everything. Yes, it was a fashion event and the designer gets to be blamed for this. But the fact that Sonakshi agreed to wear something like this, she gets to bear the brunt for this hairy and scary outfit. Now, why would someone look like this to promote her own movie? जोकर के वीडियो को प्रमोट करने के लिए सोनाक्षी दिखी इस too casual red अवतार में. Bad makeup, equally bad choice of clothes. Looks like Sonakshi forgot to change her clothes for an event and decided to go for it in something that she chooses to wear at her house when she's resting. That's not all. Sonakshi's silk loose kurta while promoting SOS left us all gaping. She looks bulky and weird. In all, Sonakshi Sinha definitely needs a cooler and trendier wardrobe ASAP. Rani Mukherjee. Well, this is new uber cool and stylish Bollywood. So, if you're making a sort of comeback, your style needs to be revamped too. While Rani did get all the attention for sexy belly dancing moves, her horrid sense of style did leave us squirming. अपनी former best friend Vidya की तरह Rani usually दिखती हैं sarees या colorful salwars में. But what happens when she tries something remotely non-traditional? Take a look. What Rani wore at Kejo's bash was so not happening. The cut and color of the dress was so unflattering, makes her look bulkier. ये ड्रेस लगता है एक सिल्क नाइट स्कर्ट की तरह, which people prefer to wear while sleeping. The black gown that she's seen wearing again is not what she should have chosen for her body type. Makes the entire look more heavy. The gown is way too long and the curtains like frills add to the confusion. As usual, Rani's not so toned arms don't look very pretty, do they? The hair is not well done and overall the look is absolutely not working for her. Take a look at this dress from Talash Success Party. It sure is better than a few dresses you were seen wearing, Rani. Yet it is still not working for you. जब तक है जहाँ के premiere में Rani was seen wearing a gorgeous sari, but the belly peeking out wasn't a pleasant sight, was it? Kajol Devgan. Well, she was mostly known for acting skills than her horrendous wardrobe. पर आप एक celebrity हैं. Along with being a good actress, आपको stylish भी दिखना चाहिए. You can be simple and stylish, isn't it? पर Kajol's sense of style has left us all disappointed. चलिए dresses नहीं तो फिर sarees ही सही. पर इस brown साड़ी में Kajol couldn't have looked worse. First of all, the strapless blouse does not make it glamorous, makes it look tacky, and we are not sure about that choice of color. As usual, the hair and makeup weren't up to the mark. So, result? A tacky appearance. Well, of course, what she wore at the GQ Men's Awards was even more shocking. A silver, weird-looking dress which in no way complimented her or her body. Not at all elegant. What she wore at Kajol's bash left us extremely disappointed again. Overdone dramatic makeup clashing with that dramatic gown with the weird transparent pattern at the end. Nope. The flash of legs beneath do not help. Kajol really needs some serious help with her fashion sense. Someone please get her a stylist with some sense. Kangana Ranaut. Well, Kangana usually has impeccable taste in fashion, but this particular one outfit has left us so shocked that we couldn't exclude her from the worst dress list. What Kangana wore at Blender's Pride got the attention for all the wrong reasons. Yes, हमें पता है कि इसमें 80% designer की गलती है, but since we know the choosy Kangana usually doesn't wear what she doesn't like, we have to blame her for saying yes to this outfit. This white skimpy outfit turned out to be more vulgar than sensuous. This outfit cried for cheap attention. While we all know Kangana loves flaunting her assets, but this is surely crossing the line. Again, what Kangana wore at the Cavalli store wasn't great, but surely way better than this. So Kangi, why not stick to that crazy side in your movies? Not everyone can be Lady Gaga and carry it off beautifully. Try being Kangana Ranaut, please. So, there you go. These are a few celebrities you should never get inspired from. In fact, they are in dire need of some help to improve their individual styles. Always remember to wear clothes that suit you and flatter your body type. Keep it simple yet stylish. Hopefully next year will be a better start for all of them, especially improve their fashion sense.
लाना बॉलीवुड न्यूज में फिलहाल वक्त है एक और छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट डोंट गो एनीवेयर क्योंकि इस ब्रेक के बाद आपको दिखाएंगे कि किन बॉलीवुड डीवास ने किया 2012 में फैशन ट्रेंड सेट। ये पूरे साल हमारी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस नजर आई एट वेरियस इवेंट्स एंड अवार्ड शोज, और इस ईयर एंड के मौके पर हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए ट्रेंड सेटर्स ऑफ 2012। तो आइए आपको मिलवाते हैं इन टॉप 5 बॉलीवुड डीवर्स से हु इम्प्रेस्ड अस थ्रू आउट द ईयर विद देयर फ्लैटरिंग फैशन सेंस।
Year 2012 is coming to an end, and we are sure all you people out there must be very curious to know who was the best dressed celeb of the year. Zoom's Fashion Police has always managed to give you weekly update of all B-Town divas. But now that this year has come to an end, तो अब वक्त आ गया है उन 5 B-Town divas को चुनने का, जिन्होंने Fashion Police को किया full year impress. After too much of observation, हमने बॉलीवुड से चूज की हैं वो 5 एक्ट्रेसेस जिन्होंने हर इवेंट, अवार्ड फंक्शंस और फिल्म प्रमोशन में किया हमें हर तरह से इम्प्रेस। The actress who is on number 5 in our best dressed celeb list is Katrina Kaif, जो इस साल स्पॉट की गई हर अवार्ड फंक्शन पर, और साथ ही इन्होंने दी इस ईयर 2 बिग हिट्स भी। ये पूरे साल बेस्ट ड्रेस तो रही, बट थ्रू आउट द ईयर शी डिडंट एक्सपेरिमेंट एट ऑल विद हर लुक्स। जब भी हमने कैट्स को स्पॉट किया, उनके अटायर्स ने हमें काफी इम्प्रेस किया, लेकिन हेयर डू रहा काफी सिंपल। शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस, फ्लोर लेंथ अनारकलीज, लॉन्ग फ्लोई गाउन्स, or be it a sari, she looked ravishing and pretty, just like always. और अगर हमें चूज करना पड़े a best dressed day of the celeb, it would surely be the gold shimmer gown, जो उन्होंने recently पहना एक अवार्ड शो पर। Leaving her co-star behind, Anushka has managed to grab number 4 position in our fashion divas list. Anushka looked her best during Jab Tak Hai Jaan promotions. Anarkalis, lehengas, western attires, she looked gorgeous in almost every attire. And how can we forget Anushka's colorful anarkali suit, जो उन्होंने पहना था रितेश जनीलिया के रिसेप्शन पर. The only attire which we didn't like of Anushka was this too loud gold work gown, जो उन्होंने पहना Hello Awards पर. And that's the reason why हमें आपको देनी पड़ी number 4 की position. Number 3 पर है करीना कपूर, who made too much of public appearance this year and was in news throughout the year. फिर चाहे वो अपनी much awaited फिल्म हीरोइन को लेकर हो या उनकी शादी की खबर को लेकर, करीना पूरे साल मीडिया में छाई रही। तो ऐसे में हमारी फैशन पुलिस उन्हें चेक आउट कैसे न करती। With bits of loopholes here and there, this dame has acquired number 3 position in our best dressed celeb list this year. फिल्म प्रमोशन से लेकर अवार्ड सेरेमनीज तक बेबो ने हर जगह ट्राई किया डिफरेंट लुक। कभी वो गाउन में नजर आई तो कभी इन अ ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी। एंड व्हेन शी गॉट बोर्ड ऑफ सच अटायर्स तो उन्होंने ट्राई किया फॉर्मल आउटफिट भी। बस हमें बेबो ने अपनी वेडिंग आउटफिट को लेकर कर दिया थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंट, इसीलिए वो रह गई नंबर 3 पर। Leaving the top actresses behind, Sonam Kapoor has reached on number 2 this year. Now when we talk about Sonam Kapoor, the best word comes to our mind is fashionista. This dame is worth all the attention which she gets for her dressing sense. Be it desi or western attire, she carries it all with oomph, aura and zest. हमने सोनम को इस साल कई इवेंट्स में कैप्चर किया इन अ साड़ी और हर बार हर इवेंट पर सोनम ड्रेस्ड अप फ्लॉलेसली, चाहे वो रैंप वॉक हो या फिर वेरियस इवेंट्स। If we had to choose one best dressed day of this dame, it would surely be this outfit, wherein she chose to wear this unique kind of sari teamed up with red heavy blouse. You surely did win our hearts, Sonam. सोनम के साथ नंबर 2 की पोजीशन शेयर कर रही हैं उनकी को-स्टार बिपाशा बासु। कैजुअल वेयर से लेकर ट्रेडिशनल अटायर तक अपने हर अपीयरेंस में दिस ब्लैक ब्यूटी लुक्ड स्टनिंग। लिटिल ब्लैक ड्रेस एट एन इवेंट, साड़ी एट एन अवार्ड शो से लेकर द वाइट फ्लोई गाउन व्हिच शी वाज सीन फ्लॉन्टिंग एट बिग बी's बर्थडे बैश। We give a thumbs up to you, Bips, for carrying this gown with so much of grace and elegance. You sure do deserve to be number 2 in our list. अब वक्त आ गया है आपको उस डीवा से मिलाने का जिन्होंने इस साल क्रिएट किया मैक्सिमम बज़ इन एवरी रिस्पेक्ट। कभी अपनी फिल्म की सक्सेस को लेकर तो कभी अपने ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट को लेकर। She sure does deserve this number 1 position, and we are talking about none other than Deepika Padukone, जिनका हर एक आउटफिट रहा way too perfect and apt for the occasion. She looked drop dead gorgeous in all her gowns, casual wear, saris and suits. Deepika को हमने spot किया at a busy award show in a black and gold shimmer long dress with perfect makeup and accessories. With this attire of hers, उन्होंने shimmer को लाया in trend from August itself. She is surely a trendsetter. This gorgeous babe looked spectacular in the red gown which she wore at an awards night. Hair tied up stylishly and that red lipstick just added to the glory of the entire outfit. And how can we forget Deepika at Big B's birthday bash, wherein she was seen flaunting her black traditional anarkali suit. इस दीवा ने different occasions पर try किए हैं different kind of hairstyles, makeup, and not just this, she never went wrong with her accessories too. She never went wrong with her experiments, be it traditional, western, sari, or a short dress. This Bollywood hottie impressed us in every way throughout the year.
प्लान है बॉलीवुड न्यूज़ में फिलहाल वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन आप कहीं मत जाएगा क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद भी बहुत कुछ बाकी है। स्टे विद अस। दिल्ली में हुए गैंग रेप केस पर अब बॉलीवुड ने भी उठाई है अपनी आवाज। बॉलीवुड के कई स्टार्स एक साथ दिखाई दिए एक साइलेंट प्रोटेस्ट में। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं एक झलक।
theatre and film people, we, the citizens of Mumbai, have gathered here in a spontaneous gesture to express that we are with our country.
जो तमाचा इस लड़की पे बस पे पड़ा, जब तक वो तमाचा हम अपने चेहरे पे नहीं महसूस करेंगे, वो रोड जब तक उस लड़की पे जो पड़ा, जब तक वो रोड हम अपने शरीर पे नहीं महसूस करेंगे, जो गाली गलौज उस लड़की के साथ हुआ, जब तक वो गाली गलौज हम अपने साथ महसूस नहीं करेंगे, तब तक बदलाव नहीं आ सकता।
Most
also for the fact that women should be free and women should feel free, feel safe in a country like India.
We need to get aware. We need to get aware that this is an extremely sick society and it needs counseling, it needs medication, and that can be bitter at times, and it needs help.
मेरा मानना है सोसाइटी बीमार हो चुकी है, तो we not only have to hold our governments accountable, ask for stronger laws, ask for those laws to be enforced, but we also have to start looking within ourselves and within our own houses.
Women are almost half the population of the country. They have to have rights, they have to have dignity, they have to have empowerment. Without that, what kind of democracy we are running?
I'm glad that the nation today has come together. It's not about me, it's not about the people who are here, it's about the nation that has come together. And hopefully this will lead to something much bigger.
I feel it's just pissed off, ashamed that something so vile and despicable can happen in our country.
जिस लड़की ने अपनी बहादुरी से अपनी जान गंवाई है, उसने सही मानों में एक सीख, एक समझ हमको दे गई।
I hope this sentiment is heard by those who need to hear it, and I hope some positive change, justice and reform comes out of this incident that's been brought to light.
And now for some good news for all you fashion buffs out there. If you have those fashion designing skills and know how to design those perfect garments, then here's your chance as Cotton Council International presents Let's Design is back with its season 5. To participate, just log on to allaboutcotton.com/letsdesign5 and register yourself. Last day to register is January 5th, 2013, so hurry up. With this, it's a wrap. Planet Bollywood News में कल हम फिर लौटेंगे लेकर बॉलीवुड की और भी लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ एंड गॉसिप. Till then, keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.